Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure activity history on your Windows 11. So there is history when you act, or you copy something, or you open application or software on your Windows 11. This system is recorded. So here, in order to access the history, your activity history, you can click on Windows icon and go to the settings. Here you can click on privacy and security and try to find Windows permission, and here we go. This is activity history option for managing your activity history on this device. Click it. So by default this option is on. You can store activity history on this device. Jump back into what are you doing on your device by storing your activity history, including info about websites you browse and how you use apps and services. So here, all your anything you do in this system, it will be recorded. So here, in order to keep your privacy, or you want stealth mode on your life, you can turn this off. So feel free to try to configure to set up activity history. You can also clear your activity history for this account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.